Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a nail file on your dog. First, gather your supplies, including a good quality dog nail file and plenty of tasty treats. Make sure your dog is relaxed and in a comfortable position. Gently touch the file to their paws, allowing them to get used to the sensation without actually filing. This helps build a positive association with the tool. Now, let's get to the filing. Hold your dog's paw securely, isolating the nail you're working on. File the nail in one smooth direction, from the top down towards the tip. Focus on removing only a small amount at a time. Be very careful to avoid the quick, which is the pink, sensitive area inside the nail. Taking off too much can cause pain and bleeding. Continue this process for each nail, remembering to take frequent breaks if your dog seems stressed. After filing, gently smooth any rough edges to ensure your dog's comfort. Throughout the entire session, offer plenty of praise and treats. This positive reinforcement makes the experience much more pleasant for your dog and encourages cooperation for future sessions. Maintaining your dog's nail health is an ongoing process. Aim to establish a regular filing schedule, perhaps every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on your dog's activity level. Always monitor their nails for appropriate length and any signs of discomfort. Remember, consistent care prevents issues. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.